Guys, so happy New Year. Post Happy New Year. So now today I am going to show some panday tricks on how to make a table and a chair. And I'm proud to present to you no other than my father. And look at what he is doing. He's doing a planer on what do you call that? Chair. Nautot. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching the video. And there. So our New Year's that we video okay last night, and everyone is happy, and we sing until 2 a.m. and we sleep at 3 in the morning. So welcome 2021 with positive, good vibes, and hopefully everything will be back to normal and safe. So that's it. See you on my next video. Bye for now. Ta-da! Bye.